If you just purchased a new dumbbell for your at-home workouts, but you don't know what exercises to do, this video is going to show you a bunch of great dumbbell exercises for beginners that you can do both from a chair as well as standing. Let's jump right in. The first exercise is a seated biceps curl. This is a great exercise to strengthen a lot of the muscles in your arm, and make sure when you're doing this to not use any momentum. Another great exercise you can do is some goblet squats to the chair. Make sure you keep your chest up nice and high through the entire movement, as this is a great exercise to strengthen your leg muscles. In addition to this, we can do some rowing. With your hand on the chair, try to pull that dumbbell back towards your rib cage, back nice and far. Rowing works your entire back muscles in addition to the muscles we work during the biceps curl. Now, of course, we can also do some incline dumbbell press. Simply lean back in your chair and practice pressing that dumbbell up as high as you can and then slowly back down. Make sure to keep that arm nice and straight, as this strengthens a lot of the muscles that help with your pushing muscles. In addition to this, we can do some Russian twists in the chair. Sit towards the edge of your chair, slowly lean back and do some twisting side to side as we get a nice good work on your core. Back into your standing position, we can do some single leg RDLs. This is a great exercise that works your lower back and leg muscles, so make sure you keep your butt back when you go down, your back nice and straight, and squeezing your butt at the top. Of course, we can also do some side laterals. This exercise works your medial deltoid, which will work the muscle on the side of your shoulder. Make sure you keep your arms nice and straight when doing this, using no momentum at all. In addition to this, you can also do a normal deadlift with both of your feet together this time. Keeping your feet about hip width apart, you slowly go down in the same motion you did with the single leg RDL, just with both feet. Of course, you can also do some tricep pushbacks by leaning forward like we did when we were doing the bent over row, and then pushing that dumbbell back, squeezing the muscle, and then slowly coming back forward. If you're enjoying the video so far, I'd greatly appreciate it if you consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, as we make videos helping individuals of all abilities navigate through all the dumbbell exercises you can do, in addition to moving through the fitness, gym, and health industry with more knowledge. And we can't forget about doing some front raises as well. Keeping your arm nice and straight, slowly reach that dumbbell up in front of you as you bring it back down towards the ground. And to work the side of our cores, we can do some side core pass-throughs. I love this exercise because you'll slowly reach down towards the side, pick that guy up, and then reach all the way back down towards the other. This is working the side of our core, which is often neglected and very weak. And then once you've done that, you can do some chair deadlifts as well. This will strengthen a lot of the postural muscles in your lower back and also give you some good hip mobility as you lean down, touching that dumbbell towards the ground, and lean back up. Of course, you can also move into a split stance position and try to work in some split squats. Ideally, you want to see if you can get that knee to touch the ground with both legs at a 90-90 position, but of course, only go as low as you comfortably can. If you're looking for a little bit more intensity, you can add in some dumbbell snatches. This exercise will work your explosive power, so be nice and careful if you're not too comfortable with the other exercises. A slightly easier version is a dumbbell clean and press. Try to keep your back nice and straight as you bring that dumbbell up, and then use your leg muscles to help drive that dumbbell up to the sky. And another great exercise is just some marches in place. This will work the side of your core because that dumbbell is pulling you towards the side, but also work your balance and leg muscles quite a bit as well. Now that you've got your dumbbell, those are a few great exercises that you can do daily to help keep you strong and fit at home. I'm going to link below the adjustable dumbbells that I use in my normal day down in the description for yourself. Otherwise, you could check out this video that I think will help you get nice and strong as well.
To tell me you know